Minister abagambira ubwabiri nabugana bebembezo mu rukiko rwa NRM conference abwishaza rya Bukonzo East Rubira Kisinga Vocational School muri Kisinga Town Council district ya Kasese,
to also consolidate their unity towards campaigns and to also obviously seek for their joint effort, so that when we go for these campaigns we should really rally behind our NRM flag bearers.
RDC wa Kasese Lieutenant Joel Warusimbi ashikira mu rukiko na washabira abatura okushagika bine bendera ya NRM Antebe mu district ya Kasese.
Whoever now, you and I, if we support somebody who doesn't belong to your family,
what has been causing our loss here in elections? It's just egos, greed, and hatred. You stand with someone and you think you have become sworn enemies. So even if you lose, you have to come again to stand as an independent.
Abebembeza bine bendere y'ikibine iki abashiro mu rukiko harwe bagambire.
Our theme and slogan is protecting the gains. And when you talk of gains, you are talking about what has been put in place. There are many projects that have been put in place.
Meaning a health center that has a maternity ward and admission services is in the hills in the same sub-county. By so doing, we will be bringing health services closer to the people.
Omugandi abakachiko ko Bururu mu district ya Rukungiri bashabira besimbireho okuronda karuru kihorere. Ebigambo bino byijaho ubwo abesimbire bari kwetebekana so kutandika campaign orwo kubanze 2010.
Mucyo kihireho iki kintu cyonka wano gwakora birimo abantu bakakuha karuru cyo basaga kachikwihe y'umpariya. Bribery is a very big case. Ubohereza siringi 10 ubari siringi 20. But if there is evidence to prove ngo kahereza umuntu ngo wakwakaru mu parliament n'abagira bata no bakwihayo kandi usanga wasisirohire wasisira resources icyakwihayo cyane zabazisinjye
ubwo bashoborere basheme gukora nebine kwehara ombwire bwo kusherura makaruru
imwe za kasheshe 12 nizo mwazo so itwe tukuza kuba tu expectinga kandi betuwe no mu district stage ukuronda karuru ahanyuma yo kwiro ikindi candidate na ikizwa ukukoze soro ruwona umwanya gwari yunarunda mwakaruru uruba kubasa kubana bakurake.
So ichina nimbasha banka head of security no kugira ngo buri muntu akore umurimo kandi buri muntu atataye irondisho bashobora kurunjinga icyo babifera.
Ebyo nabigambirwa mu rukiko Orubira district ya Rukungiri hagati y'abesimbire n'abakuru ku rwego electoral commission n'abandi bebembezi.
Nibigambo rugumere kandi muri umwanya gumwe umwenci basa kureta abatezi bakaruru bayongera okutabanguka ningashi okugera mu kurwana. So okugira ngo buri matora umuhanda gwe, I think that is a good arrangement.
Abantu bagamba bebantu bafitina ibintu bya security RDC yashobora ya security no kubiri attach tamuntu yo kuteganisa abandi
singa kugira ngo turebe cyengu twaharmonizing ikintu twarwana taba mu kuterana amabari twagambaje n'aba agents bitu n'abantu bona akarura kantushaba mukaba kwihorere.
Amakuru agasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi na Dan Basibiye.